Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. And today, what we're going to do is show you about the head shape or the alpha shape. We're going to show you how to keep it simple. This is the most important part of your caricature. So if you're a beginning caricaturist, this is where you want to focus the most of your energy at drawing the head shape and learning how to keep it simple. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to draw a couple of shapes right quick. So we're going to draw this shape here. I'm going to draw a couple of big ones here. We'll do about 3 of them. That's like a little cup right there. Looks like a cup, right? And then we're going to do a round shape like this. Okay. And then we're going to do a triangle shape right here. Okay, and then we're going to do a rectangle shape over here. Okay, now inside of each one of these shapes, we're going to draw a little caricature. Okay, so we'll start with our round shape here. So let's say you decide that this person has a round head. Now what you'll do is you'll put your hair and you'll decide, okay, well, how is my hair going to fit within that shape? So here I'm just making up a little caricature of a person, right? But I'm using all the round shape kind of as my go-to to build my caricature off of. Okay. Get it? And let's say this is going to be her eyebrows here. Okay. And then we'll do her little smile there, right? How about we'll put some little eyelashes. And at first, when you're drawing caricatures, this is what you want to do. You want to draw somebody, but don't try to necessarily make it look like a person yet. Learn how to draw a character. Learn how to draw a cartoon first, and then from there, then you go to the, to the next step. But this is what you want to practice. Practice taking shapes and making little people out of them. And then it'll be, it'll get easier kind of as time goes on. Okay, so you can see how our circle shape just kind of transformed into a caricature. But we had to decide what shape we wanted at first so that our strokes and everything, now we know where we want to go. And it's easy to be able to put a cartoon there. So let's go ahead and make up a couple of more. Over here we got our cup head. So let's say I want to make my hair interact with my shape in some kind of way first. That's generally how I'll start. Okay. And then you'll see that my caricature will kind of follow the shape that I've already chosen. Okay. You see how I'm using that shape as my basic idea? I'm gonna put some little eyes in here. Okay. We'll make him looking over here at her. He's like, why are you so happy? Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put our little nose here. Okay. And like I said, just do a couple of these and it takes off that pressure of trying to make it look like a particular person at first. Make these up in your mind. Use your imagination to make some nice, happy cartoons. I promise you'll love this exercise. Let's give them a little shirt there. So you see how I was able to make that little quick caricature up right there? Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. I know you're having a little bit of fun now, right? So let's say this is so what I want to do here is I'm going to make my shape once again. Make my hair interact with my shape first. Okay. And it doesn't mean that you have to use the whole shape. You know, you just want to keep it as the basis of your drawing. Okay. So I'm just going to draw some little ears here. Let's give her some big hoop earrings. Okay. And then we'll just go ahead and bring our shape down here like this, right? And watch how we just curl her hair out and make it into a little curl. Give her some eyebrows there. And how about we give her some nice big eyes? And she's looking up there. She's wondering what the heck is going on up there, right? Okay. So we're just about done here. Make sure we give all the ladies a little small nose. And then we'll just give her a little mouth here. Put some lips. And voila. Okay. And we can give her a little headband thing here. You know, see the little headband. Okay. Alright guys, now let's do one more. We got time for one more shape here. And we can see once again we want to make our hair interact with our shape in some kind of way. Remember, you don't have to stay on the shape. You just want to pay attention to how the shape interacts with that shape. You're making your cartoon in your head. You're doing all your thinking. Okay, so here I'm liable to put my ears like this, right? Maybe he got a long face, so I'm liable just to use a little bit of the square. Okay, right? And when you first start drawing caricature, what you can do is you can even lightly sketch in your shape on the paper with your pencil. So lightly put in a shape, right? And then you can go ahead and build your caricature around that shape and then kind of erase it out when you're done. So these are all, guys, just out of my head, you know? Some little cartoons. Nothing fancy. But once again, this is a powerful exercise. I definitely recommend that you try it. And you try it a lot of times. And eventually, you're going to thank the old Rowser for showing you this. Because it's going to help you be able to draw your cartoons a lot quicker, faster, with more accuracy. Okay guys, so this is how you keep it simple. Remember, find what your shape is going to be, make your hair interact with the shape, and then build your shape with the aid of that base foundation shape to help you become a cool cartoon master. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope that you learned something today. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. Also guys, if you'd like to participate in our online caricature classes, you can learn to caricature like a pro. All you have to do to find out more information is go to Rowserworld.com/classes, and all the information you need will be right there. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. You have a blessed and wonderful evening, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.